It says, weeping may tarry for the night. That word for tarry is actually the word that can be used of a traveler who's staying somewhere on a short-term basis. It says, weeping may stay the night, but it's not a resident guest. Weeping may stay in your life for a short period of time, but it will not take up permanent residence. Weeping may tarry for the night, but what does it say? It says joy is inevitable, and joy comes with the morning, literally, and with the morning, a shout of joy. God's children understand that their difficult circumstances that bend their emotions to be broken and hurtful, they're not permanent. They're not going to last. That for the child of God, joy is inevitable and it is eternal. You say, well, I don't feel that way. You just wait till the morning. You just wait till God brings that morning to you. For some people, that morning does not come in this life. For some people and for all people who believe in Jesus, the morning does dawn when they see Jesus face to face. For some people, they weep through this life, but joy comes the morning they wake up and see Christ. We can celebrate when a believer dies. We can celebrate when a believer passes from this life to the next. It's never pretty. It's never glorious. It's always sad, but joy comes in the morning. Weeping may tarry for a night, but joy comes in the morning. I want to remind you of how this great truth is worked out in your life, because you might be saying, I'm weeping right now, and I don't see an end in sight to this. But this is a hope that is peculiar to God's people. Listen to the promise that God has made to us in the end of the book. Revelation 21, verse 3 through 4. You know it well. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, behold, the dwelling place of God is with man. He will dwell with them, and they will be His people. And God Himself will be with them as their God. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and death shall be no more. Neither shall there be mourning, nor crying, nor pain anymore, for the former things have passed away. Praise God. Weeping may tarry for the night, but joy comes with the morning.